Hey everyone, welcome to TCB. This is part 6 of Tekla Structure Construction Point Tutorial playlist. So the next method is parallel to 2 points. Click on this. It is asking to provide the distance. I am giving the 400 apply and asking to pick the start point of the line. Just assume this is the line and here I pick the first point and asking to pick the end point of the line. Here I am giving. So you can see that our points were there, and if I will draw the line, these lines are parallel. So hence the proof, as name indicate, parallel to 2 points, because of these points are created as per the picked point and it's parallel to each other. So I am giving right now some other values. So it works as an array also. Let's see practical. 700 and now deleting the point. Redraw. Go to the display and construction line open. All done. So as per the input, 3 point need to be created which would be parallel to this line. So let's see. Okay, and here pick the start point and end point. As you can see, all the 3 points has been created. Let's measure 400, 600 and 700, and these points are parallel to this line. We can give in the different way also. If I want the 3 points and I don't want to give the different dimensions, all are equal, then I can give in this way, number of the point and then the distance. I'm deleting this. Picking the start point and the end point. As you can see, we have given the 5 number of the point. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 numbers are coming. And let's measure the distance also. 500. All are parallel. So this method is very useful to create the point parallel to the line. So that's it in this presentation. For the continuation, please check my next tutorial. Links are provided on the description. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to the channel. Thank you for the listening. Have a nice day.